Pretty handy little bugger.
What we have here is one of the Rhino Strong commercial grade air pump wedges, currently under 220 pounds. That is two 45-pound plates, three 35-pound plates, and one 25-pound plate. Again, that's 220 pounds total. I'm going to go ahead and pump up the air wedge and see how well it performs. And as you can see, it lifted up that 220 pounds, no problem at all. You can see how much clearance we have under there, several inches. We'll go ahead and hit the release. And there you go. Make sure you check them out. Again, that is the air pump wedge by Rhino Strong.